In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the Magic Fluid application on your iPad or iPhone. At first, we need to access App Store. I'm going to tap on top of App Store, and then there is a search box. We just need to tap it over here, and we have to type Magic and then Fluid, and then we have to tap the search button, and very shortly you will find this type of application is there. The top right side is the application which I am going to install, Magic Fluid Lite. So I'm going to tap it over here, and this is a free version, and there is a get button. So to install it, we tap on top of the get button. I'm going to tap it over here, and very shortly it will ask us that it is going to install. To confirm, I'm going to tap on install button, and very shortly you will see a green like blue color box will be filled, circle basically, and then you will find this open type of button. If we tap it, then the application will be opened. And also I'm not going to open from here. I'm going to minimize everything, and then I'm going to open from here. So on our iPad we'll see this type of icon is there, like Magic Fluid Lite. So we just need to tap it to open the application, and very shortly it will open like this way. So it is asking allow this application to track your activity. I'm not interested to track my activity, to share basically. So I'm going to choose this option, app, ask app not to track, and then very shortly it will be gone. And now our application is ready to use, and now we can put our finger over here to swipe or something like that, and very shortly we'll see this type of graphics. And that's it. In this way we can easily install Magic Fluid Lite on our iPad or iPhone.